In the category of real estate, recognizing the efforts of Pankaj Bansal, Director M3M India. Pankaj has been instrumental in taking M3M to newer heights. Today, M3M is ranked one of the country's fastest growing real estate developers.
It is indeed a great honor for me to be featured in the esteemed Times of India 40 Under 40 list. Times of India has taken such a wonderful initiative which motivate people like me personally and people like us who've been contributing to business and to the society. I want to take this opportunity to thank my colleagues, my peer and my business partners who have worked 24/7 round the clock for last 10 years to make M3M number 3 brand in the country when it comes to revenue. And this is happening for last 3 consecutive years. As a futuristic organization, we are committed to bring a paradigm shift in Indian real estate landscape through speed, innovation, and groundbreaking ideas. As an organization, it is important to build business, but it is also important to contribute to the society. I am very happy to announce that we've built the first 400 COVID care center in Gurugram, which is operational now and which was inaugurated by Shri Manohar Lal Khattar, our respected Chief Minister. We are contributing in our own way to CSR activities, and in this tough time, it is much important to do because God has made us capable to do such, and we are the chosen one. So thank you, Times of India, and thank you, everyone.